Hey, it's Coach Taylor here from SmarterTeamTraining.com. I'm excited to have Doug Scott from the Pingree School up in New Jersey on the phone with me. He works predominantly with high school athletes and really emphasizes female strength training in his program. And I really think it's a great point to touch on, and I'm glad to have him on. Doug, thank you very much for sharing your time and giving us some information today.
Oh, thanks for having me, Rob.
Hey, Doug, can you do us a little background check here on you? Can you give me a little bit of information on how you got started in the field, where you went to school, and how you got involved with the Pingree School?
Well, I got started in the field of strength training back when I was in high school, primarily for athletics and also not wanting to be the scrawny kid. So I drifted towards the weights to make myself bigger and stronger. That led into various part-time jobs through high school, working at a local fitness establishment where I grew up called the Fitness Studio in Warwick, New York. And that was run by one of the high school teachers who kind of employed me, and my payment was membership there, so I could work out there.